These are the most common problems everyone faces, like salary disappear in days, feeling guilty after every spending, constantly dealing with where did my money go stress, feeling behind compared to others. If you face any of these problems, then this video is for you. By the end of this video, you will learn what financial smart people do in the first 24 hours after getting paid. That keeps them calm, in control, and ahead of all the people, even if their salary isn't huge. I have been active in financial markets for 5 years. I made mistakes, watch others lose money, and here I am to teach you finance in extremely simple ways. I have been studying the behavior of those people who have a decent job but still they are wealthier than the people who are running a business. And these are the 7 things they all have in common. These things proves that you don't need to be in business for getting rich. You just need right mindset and knowledge. 1. They create no touch window for first 24 hours. They don't spend immediately for first 24 hours after getting paid. And there is a powerful reason behind it. If you notice, most bad money decisions happens in excitement. Human mind is structured the way that when we see money in our hand, we feel powerful. We think we can buy anything, we can control anyone. And using this rule kills impulsive spending. Let's say your salary comes at Friday and you do not spend on anything till Saturday night. Your mind will forget about the money you have and automatically will spend less money. Here's a challenge. Just try this for one paycheck and watch how many urgent expenses magically disappears. 2. They check their survival number, not their balance. Instead of looking at total salary, they check how much money is needed to survive this month. I bet that you never think like this, right? Well, it's the most important thing to know how much you need to survive every month. Just write down how much you need for rent, food, bills, and entertainment, and you will get the number for your survival. Using this habit, shift focus from I got paid to I am covered, and that feeling reduces stress and emotional spending. Let's say your salary is $500 and you need 200 for your survival. Now you know there is still a good amount of money left to do other things. At that point, you feel secure. And trust me, it's a really amazing feeling. Always remember security first, lifestyle later. 3. They pay their future self before their current mood. I know you have been hearing this every time. Separate your money for investment and emergency fund. But are you really doing it? Whenever the rich people get paid, they instantly move a small fixed amount into a separate future me account and then use that money for assets, investments, and emergency. And believe it or not, this builds self trust. You stop feeling like you are getting behind. And if you ask me, I'll say automate your investing. This will help you a lot to stay disciplined about money. It helped me too. 4. They categorize spending. Instead of planning spending, they program the things to prioritize. This helps a lot to spend money on the right things. Let's take an example. You create a list where you prioritize buying things like stocks, funds, gold, silver, then emergency funds and survival money, and after that, buying clothes, going out for a dinner. Now, this will help you to move your money to things which will help you in future and also let you enjoy your present. 5. They assign roles to their money. All your life you have been listening mostly these two words, expenses and saving. But wealthy people give their money different missions. Whenever they get paid, they separate their money for freedom, security, growth, and fun. Let's say you got $500. Now you separate it in 4 parts and give them a job. $150 for emergency, another 150 for investment, 125 for asset, and 75 for enjoyment. Trust me, it works because money with purpose don't disappear carelessly. And now your spending become intentional, not emotional. 6. They schedule a 10-minute money CEO meeting. Once salary arrives, they sit alone for 10 minutes and review money like a CEO reviewing a company. They note down what drained money last month, what actually made life better, what to increase, what to decrease. It feels like a small thing, but it has huge impact on your life because awareness is equal to control. Remember, you can't manage money you are afraid to look at. 7. They think, how can this paycheck make more paycheck? And this is where multiple income stream begins. Not by working more, but thinking smarter. Whenever you see money in your hand, fix this statement in your mind. Even a small part of this money can help me earn extra next month. You can buy a course that upgrade a skill, invest in tools for freelancing, Start a tiny side project, learn something that increases income. You will get many more things to earn money with less work if you start searching for it. Just keep adding assets as much as you can, and remember, income is temporary, but skills and assets pay forever. Most people treat payday like a reward, and this is where you start moving in wrong mindset. Wealthy people treat payday like a responsibility and opportunity. The difference between broke and financial calm isn't salary size, it's what you do after you get paid. And if you're really serious about getting rich, watch this video, which will help you to know what to do to get rich in 1 year. See you next time.